just updated some of the hydraulics. After a few weeks of back and forth to Princess Auto, finally figured out a setup that's going to work. First, I just bought like 4 or 8 of these, and I thought to myself, you know, as soon as I came out here and looked at this, I was like, oh shit. Because as you can notice how close to the down things are together. So went and took 4 of them back and bought 4 of the 45s. Yeah, great and all, except when you get 2 45s next to each other, it don't work. And plus, when you come straight out here, you're going straight into that bar here. So that didn't work. And I had to go with the 90s. So then I was trying to figure out if I could. I did see some like 90s with long ends here, like that, about that long. That would bring me out past this. But they didn't have any in a 1/2 inch. They don't even make them apparently in a 1/2 inch. They went from 3/8 to 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch to 3/8, but no 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch. So I went, and these are 10 OB and these are 1/2 inch. And these threads are like in between 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch, so thread pattern don't even work. Never mind the size. So I had to, what I got was a transition piece from 10 OB to 1/2 inch. Then I got a 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch 90, and that got me past here. So just like that. The only problem is I'm gonna have to put this piece on the hose before I put it in here and tighten this, because there's no way I can get a wrench in there. There's like no way. Here I can. So, but where I'm screwed, and I'm kind of looking for suggestions, I'm hoping, is here. Yeah, I'm kind of screwed because these 90s, problem is the gap in between all of them are the same, so I can't turn it. I can't put a 90 in there because I can't turn it and tighten it, because at the end of this hits this, right? I can do this. I'm gonna use this method for the back ones here, so it gets past these 2, because that works out perfect. But I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I guess I'll have to do like double-ended, like a male double-ended 10 OB thread piece out, and then do like a 90 like this, but have a 10 OB or a 1/2 inch, or a 10 OB to 1/2 incher, and then have this so it screws onto the piece sticking out of here. Because right now I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But anyway, at least I got them on. That's all I can say. But that'll look okay, I guess. It'll work. I can say, as long as it works. Probably being easier if I use like 3/8 hose, but I just went with the 1/2 inch, just get more flow. Ever in the future I went to a bigger 4 size, right? Which is probably basically impossible, because there's no way that's going to fit in there, and then if I put a 3 inch in here, it ain't going to fit in there. So, but anyway, just in case, I don't know, just get more flow, and then there's less stress on those little 3/8 lines. I got some of these. I do this. I have to clean myself. I'll hold them. Show you how these work. Gotta find a piece of hose, which isn't all that tough. Right here. This will work. Alright, how this works. Oh, shit. Let me set this camera there. Alright, what you want to do, hang on, set the camera here. Alright. Alright, so these, now see this plate's got part sticks out, and these four here, these are to prevent this from spinning like that, alright? So we'll, sorry, I'm gonna go like this. Takes a little pressure to stick it on there, but anyway. Hose goes like that. I don't know how well you can see that, but anyway. Plate goes on the back like that. And this one goes on like that. This one goes on top here. Just like that. I don't know how well you can see that, but anyway. So that one plate goes on the bottom like that. Then one nylon piece goes on there. Another one, and then bolt goes to that plate on top. Just like that. And then there's two, and then I got another, and I have a single one here. And it's basically the same, but two bolts go on each side. This one single one. Now, to mount these to the arm, you take this plate off. What I'm going to do, I don't know how everyone does it. If you're replacing them, you already know where they go, right? But if you're putting on fresh, you want to run the hoses, then put these on wherever you want, wherever they're hanging or wherever you need them. Put them on, clamp them onto the hose, make sure they fit. Even do like a piece of strong double-sided tape or something on there just to hold them up, or some zap straps or something just to hold them there. Step back, make sure all the hoses run properly, make sure there's nothing that's going to pinch, right? And then you want to take a permanent marker, pencil, whatever, chalk or soapstone, I mean, and trace around the trace around this, and take out that bolt, take all the plastic off, take the hose away, and then you want to weld this all the way up. You can probably get away with just welding the two sides or the two ends, or one end and one side, whatever. But I'm going to weld the entire thing up. Not so much for strength, because two welds is plenty for holding hoses, right? But so water doesn't get in behind there and rust. Like, since I have to paint this after I get this on, weld this on, right? So water doesn't get in there and rust. I'm not going to do a bead, really. I'm just going to do a straight weld, just to basically fill the gap and keep water from there. I'll do a weave pattern on the ends here just to actually get it to stick, but so that's basically how that works. Goes on there, that goes on top, and this goes on top like that. I love these things. They're very handy, and I will never mount hoses without them. I got some single ones, and we're gonna probably get 2 more of these ones, probably 4 more of these, I'm not sure, but anyway. Alright guys, take care. We're getting there. Like I said, I got the paint there. Got paint. And paint sprayers. Sandblasting. Sandblast your gun. Wrap that sucker in plastic. Got a fan in there. We're good to go. Alright guys, take care. Bye.